If you are habitual of using very quite frequently, this video is going to help you a lot. I'm going to give you 50 new words along with their usage, and you could start substituting the veries in your sentences and sound more expressive, sound more attractive, and at the same time build your vocabulary. Let's get started with the first word that I have for you. Very angry. Furious. I was furious at her for stealing my money. Very beautiful. Gorgeous. Tina is a gorgeous girl. Very big. Massive. The new building in Connaught Place is massive. Very noisy. Deafening. This is a very good word. Please start using it right away. Deafening. The noise of the helicopter was deafening. I could not focus on the beauty of the landscape. Very poor. Destitute. Even though I was born in a destitute family, it did not stop me from attending an Ivy League school. Very clean. Spotless. Spotless. Yes. Very nice word. Start right away. Her spotless white wedding gown was beautiful. Very short. Brief. Brief. Yeah, you must have heard this one. I'm gonna keep this conversation brief, so just listen to me for 2 minutes. Very difficult. Arduous. Arduous. I just completed an arduous journey. Very dry. Arid. My mouth is arid. I could really use a glass of water. Very quick. Rapid. The sequence of events of the movie was rapid. I could not understand it. Very bad. Awful. My experience of visiting Manhattan was awful because of his horrible company. Very sad. Sorrowful. She has been staying sorrowful ever since her father's demise. Very upset. Distraught. You might have heard this one. I'm distraught with his yesterday's behavior. I'm not going to speak to him. Very cold. Freezing. I'm in Kashmir. It's freezing. I'm really missing summers. Very strong. Forceful. The wind was forceful. It was difficult to drive. Very huge. Colossal. Now this is a very good word. Colossal. You must think I'm a colossal liar. Very calm. Serene. Serene. Nice word. Use it. I love visiting Nepal. It's serene. I love its serenity. Very ugly. Hideous. They really did fascinating makeup. The monster looked hideous in the movie. Very small. Petite. Petite. His new girlfriend is petite. I think any piece of cloth would barely fit her. Very funny. Hilarious. I love cracking great jokes. I love it when you find me hilarious. No, I really mean it. Very quiet. Hushed. The environment of the aeroplane was hushed. Everybody was sleeping. Very rich. Wealthy. Wealthy. In India, wealthy people have to pay more taxes. Very expensive. Costly. The new sweater that I got yesterday is costly. Very dirty. Filthy. Filthy. The apartment was filthy. They've not cleaned it in the last 1 year. Filthy is also used to explain the riches of a person. So if somebody is really, really rich, you call them filthy rich. Very tall. Towering. Towering. The towering, slender man was looking over the list with a frown. Very easy. Effortless. Math as a subject was always effortless for me. Not really. But yeah, I used to enjoy it. Very wet. Soaked. I just got out of the swimming pool. I'm soaked. Just let me quickly change. Very slow. Sluggish. She is a lazy person. She's sluggish in whatever she does. Very good. Excellent. You're excellent at whatever you do. I really admire this quality of yours. Very stupid. Idiotic. Stop acting idiotic all the time. Very happy. Ecstatic. I'm ecstatic at the news of my sister getting married. Very exciting. Exhilarating. The experience of paragliding was exhilarating. I'm definitely gonna try it again. Very weak. Frail. You look frail. Stop dieting and start eating. Very little. Tiny. The script was tiny. It only took her 2 minutes to read the entire of it. Very bright. Luminous. The sun is luminous at noon. You can't look directly at it. Very busy. Swamped. I'm swamped with work. I will not be able to attend the guests. Very careful. Cautious. She's cautious of people who speak less often. Very clear. obvious. It's obvious from her behavior. She's not interested in you anymore. Very colorful, vibrant. My garden is vibrant in summers. Very confused, perplexed. Why do you look so perplexed? What happened? Very creative, innovative. She's innovative. We have the best of the ideas coming from her all the time. Very crowded, bustling. The streets were bustling during the Diwali season. Very dear, cherished. These are few of the most cherished memories of my childhood. Very deep, profound. The movie had a profound meaning. Not everybody will be able to understand. Very empty, desolate. Desolate. The desert looked desolate. Very excited, thrilled. I'm thrilled about moving to the United States. Very fancy, lavish. Her new apartment looks lavish with all the best kind of furniture from around the world. Very fat, obese. She has been obese all her life, so finally she's planning on seeing a doctor. Very friendly, amiable. The amiable young man greeted me enthusiastically. So this was it for today. I'm gonna be back with another list soon. I hope you enjoyed this video. Share this video with a few friends of yours and learn English together with them. I'll see you again. You take care of yourself. Bye bye.